going to Essex.
Why are we going to Essex?
We're going to do an exhaust for a narrow boat for the Home Improvements YouTube channel.
So yes, we've got a long 4-hour drive to go, staying in the hotel tonight in Essex.
Yep.
And then tomorrow is the big day.
So they contacted us to build an exhaust for a narrow boat that they're busy restoring and they're raffling off. Because the old one was all crusty and they want some nice sexy welds on there.
Bitch is going to be straight piped.
Yeah boy.
Just like every bitch that gets in this narrow boat is going to get straight fucking piped down. Well, we've got an hour and a half to go.
Hour and a half.
Oh, it's getting dark now.
It's getting dark. We don't even know if the van lights work since the van went on fire.
Well, it is, what is the time? Late, feels late. It is 11 o'clock and we've just arrived at the Palms Hotel. Took a bit of a mission to get here, like we went past it. Heading to the hotel. And then get ready for the big day tomorrow. Get up! Checked into the hotel, got the key cards. Ooh, we are living at large today, boys. Whoa. This is naughty, this. Got a big flat screen TV. Oh, we've got the goods like conditioner, bath and shower gel. We did say before, have you got shower gel? Nope. So have you got shower gel? Nope. They're bound to have it in the hotel. Look at the zoo.
We are ready to go. We are making the exhaust with the Home Improvements channel. We ain't messing around. It's not a car today. It is a narrow boat.
It's not very narrow, really, is it?
No, it's massive.
So, Joe started out by sorting his organised mess, including some various pipe work and some pie cuts. Now, here's some I prepared earlier. Now, starting off, we may or may not have just borrowed the flange from the original exhaust. Now, the flange was then cleaned up and welded on to a flexi. Now, this is going to massively help take the stress off the engine when the exhaust is moving.
Yeah, like when we start the engine, you're like...
Well, slowly but surely getting there, step by step.
Not slowly,
Fastly.
It's fast. We're filming, so it takes longer. Everything takes longer.
Now the flange is now attached to the engine, the flexi's on, and Joe's now mocking up some pie cuts to get the angle right for the rest of the exhaust. Now the last thing that we want is this canal boat popping and banging down the River Thames. So here Joe is welding up a silencer.
We've got this tacked up to there, getting one side sorted. We've got that side pretty much done. And it's just going to be the midsection to join them together.
And for your southern viewers, that side's good, that side's good. He's just got to join them together now.
Now it's time to move on to the midsection. Although Joe is the expert here, we thought we'd let Phil take a little bit of control. The question is, has Phil fulfilled Joe's needs?
How's it looking at 10?
Don't show him that bit.
It'll do the job. I'll fill it up well. Put it back. I think I might tack them in place.
In here.
Yeah, so I'll have all these welded, all that welded. I'll weld that flexi, put that in there, and just tack that into there, that one there, and then into there. Remove it and do all that 3 welds.
So Joe is just finishing off on the final pie cuts, looking absolutely naughty. And then last step after that is simply hide onto the boat.
Give it a twirl.
That's the one.
Now we are one step closer to finishing this build. And just look at those welds. All that is left to do now is the finishing touches. So then, Joe, after many hours later, we are finally there. The exhaust is complete. It is looking absolutely unreal. Oh, probably the strangest project you've ever worked on and ever will work on, to be fair.
Yep, 100%.
It was a challenge to improve, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like, if you think about it, to go from something as pretty as that, that's a big call. Like,
Yeah,
I think
100%.
it's just about there.
Yeah, it's just a little bit better.
At points, I was like, this isn't looking much better.
What can I say?
Now it's crazy to think how the exhaust used to look, with about as much personality as a wet paper towel, to then this, a work of art, from seamless welds, true functionality, and inevitably we now have an exhaust that will outlive the narrow boat itself. Just like to say a massive thank you to both guys.
Thank you guys, you smashed it.
No!
Get over here, mate!
Thank you so much! We appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully in the next week or so we'll get it to go.
A massive thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more epic builds, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video.